Hi guys, this is for the MrBeams 370 wireless spot with remote. It's 120 lumens. I've got it set on my porch so somebody walks up at night, it will light up, let me see them, let them see the door. Lights up part of my truck there so if somebody messes with it. The next one I get will be a ultra bright. That way it's brighter out here, but 120 lumens gets the job done. As you can see how bright it is on the trailer. The motion detector works very good. I've got the timer set on 30 seconds. Yes, I need to straighten out my porch. Mosquitoes are awful bad tonight. But that's living in the country. Y'all really need to check out MrBeams. They have some wonderful and great products. I also have the lantern with a USB port charger. Thing works like a champ. Wish I had 4 or 5 more of them. Alright, the LED should kick off any second now. I say that, but I haven't been counting. Well, come on. I know it's got to be about 30 seconds now. Like I said before, this is 120 lumens. So if you need it lit up pretty good, you definitely need to get the ultra bright. But just the wireless helps if you need it on or to stay on. You can click it, you can turn the motion detector off, you can set the turn off to I believe 4 hours and 10 hours. I believe, I have to look it back up. But it's a great product, y'all really need to check it out. Again, that is the MrBeams MB370.